Welcome to Beads Programming Language Episode 9. Today we're going to talk about code coverage. Let's say we're looking at the chess program example that I wrote, and you want to see if every function call has been called at least once. So you turn on option coverage plus, and that turns on code coverage when you compile the program. In Beads, we have the concept of a monitor program that can run another one inside it. So we take the builder program, which is the beginnings of our IDE, and we run the chess program inside it. And the chess program was compiled with coverage flag on. We then go to the code section, and here's our cross-reference diagram of all the functions in the product and who calls what. And there's drawing modules in green, and then the little circles are calculation code functions. We then execute the chess program a little bit. We move some pieces on the board, and then we go back to the code coverage phase, and then we turn on the switch called show coverage. And then that shows us the counts, how many times each of the subroutines was called. And on the right, you can see three functions marked in yellow, and those have 0 calls. So we can see that yes, we've never ran the landscape layout or the square layout. So we go back to running the program again, and we switch it to landscape mode, and then we see how the screen looks. We make sure it still looks good because we're testing that different phase of the program. And then we can go back to the code coverage and verify, yes, now we only have one missing piece of code that has never been executed, which is the square layout. We could add a device that's square to exercise this more easily. But this is how code coverage works